He invited men back to his apartment, not for a drink, not for a date, but for death. Police stepped inside Jeffrey Dahmer's home and found a freezer full of human heads, skulls on shelves, a 57-gallon drum of acid, photographs of bodies in twisted poses. But here's the most twisted part. He admitted everything. He said he didn't kill out of hate. He killed to keep them. Dahmer pled guilty, but said he was insane. The court didn't buy it. 15 life sentences. Years later, another inmate beat him to death in the prison gym. Some say justice was served. Others say it came too late. Jeffrey Dahmer, one of the darkest minds in human history, and the horrors inside his apartment still haunt America.